Directories are lists of the extensions and people in the system. This allows inbound callers to simply dial the first three letters of the person's first name or last name to reach them. This is also called a dial by name directory. When you're adding a directory, you can assign the directory an extension number. In fact, you do have to. So let's do 9876, something that's unique and that no one will dial. Name the directory. Let's call it the sales department. The invalid destination is what's used if the caller types in a destination that doesn't exist. So if they're looking for someone named Luke Escudé, but Luke Escudé is not in that directory, it will simply send them to wherever you say. So let's say it's going to do a ring all ring group. Of course, if they don't dial an invalid destination, it will go to whatever they dialed. On the Advanced tab, we can add a caller ID prefix. So you can say from sales directory, : now, if an extension is dialed from the sales directory, it will actually show up on the phone's screen that the person came from the directory instead of a normal phone call. And then, of course, the intro recording. The default system recording is just a programized, computerized lady saying, please dial the first three digits of the person's first name or last name and then press pound or something. You can also create your own, of course, if you want to brand it to your company. I'm going to go ahead and submit this. And we can see our new sales department directory is here. However, we have not yet defined any contacts to be inside the directory. If you were to call into it right now, it would have no ability to actually connect, and it would always fail over to that failing destination. So let's go ahead and manage the contacts within this directory. You now have, well, actually it tells you that you're editing the sales department, which is at extension 9876. This is not really important unless you want to dial into the directory manually. You have a list of all the extensions in the system. Let's say that the sales department consists of Luke's apartment phone, Sally Sample, Tom Talkative, and John Doerr. Strange. So this makes up our sales department. Let's submit that. Now we can see that the sales department directory has 4 contacts. Now, if you have an IVR menu that's pointing to the sales department directory, a caller can enter in LUK to reach Luke Escudé or TOM to reach Tom Talkative, etc. Of course, hit apply changes whenever you're finished to make sure the server actually applies what you've done.